time no see. So I know we've been doing a lot of hand videos lately. It's been a while since we've seen each other face to face, and yeah, it's been a while. So we will be doing a face-to-face update video later. I actually got a surprise PupBox for you guys. I haven't done a PupBox video since Jofi was quite small. He's not small anymore. He is quite massive. So let's bring the star of the show. Jofi, come. Jofi, come here. Come here. Up. So, okay, it's going to be really hard, actually, there we go. It's going to be really hard for me to actually get him up. He has been trained since he was very small not to jump up, and his best friend is in the room, which happens to be the cat, so this might be a little difficult. So, while he's down on the floor playing, what PupBox is it is a monthly subscription service for dogs. So, it comes with treats and toys and all these awesome fun things catered to your dogs. If I remember correctly, PupBox, I think it's like $48 a month, if I remember correctly. I just want to let you guys know, I did get this one for free, and I will link down below my referral code for you guys. I think you guys get like $10 off your first box. I think. This one is a January PupBox, and this is the adult kit since he is now, in about 3 days. He will be 14 months old. Yeah, that's right, guys. Jofi is over a year old already. I know when I got him, I told you guys I'd be doing monthly update videos and all this other stuff. But if you guys have been following me on Instagram, stop hitting my table. If you guys have been following me on Instagram or on his Instagram, my life kind of took a really bad turn for a while. But again, not that video. So, okay, this is what's in the box. And the theme is, let's make 2018 the best year ever. And this is what the card looks like. And then on the back it says New Year's resolutions, eat healthier, stay active, more together time. And then it just has a list of things to do for your dog. Now remember, this box was made for adult dogs. So, and it's also catered towards Jofi, who is a bigger dog. If you do not know, Jofi is a German Shepherd. He's also trained as a working service dog. So he is a little leaner, he is sleeker, and he is task trained on top of it. So let's go in order by this handy dandy sheet that they sent, the January insert. And okay, so the first thing is a super glow ball. Super bright, crazy bouncing ball with a treat dispenser. So this is from Throwbiz. It is a Spunky Pup Super Glow Nighttime Super Glow Ball. This would be fun. It is recyclable and dishwasher safe. So this is what it looks like. It is glow in the dark. I am actually kind of worried to play with him with this because he is a very avid chewer, and this is a very soft, palatable ball. Like, as you guys can see, I'm squeezing it. But it's meant that way because there's a hole, like I can stick my finger in it, there's a hole that you're supposed to fit treats into. Obviously, with any toy that you give your dog, you never want to give them the toy or treat unsupervised because of choking hazards, especially things like this, since it is a squishy ball and it is more of like a thick rubbery material. If they were to puncture and rip a part off, it could get lodged either in their throat, in their stomach, or in their intestines, and it's just a giant mess. So this is definitely something I have to watch him with. But I think him and I could have a lot of fun with that. Jofi Derp. Again. Derpers. This is sweet because this is giant. There's a giant thing in here. Come in. Like this. Like this. No, he doesn't care because this isn't sweet. Okay. So, Loss. Also, you guys will hear me speaking some German to him. He does not speak English. He does like little things like go say hi and Loss, and you know, I don't know. He really doesn't know very many English words. Again, if you guys do want to know a little more about my service dog journey with him, let me know down below and I'll do a separate video on that. The next thing is the Calm Trekkers Large Moose. Oh, that's the thing that was speaking. Can you guys see him? Let me adjust the camera. Hold on. Seats? Can you guys still see him? I can't see on the camera lens. There we go. So here are his ears. Here are his ears. Touch. Thank you. Okay, So this is obviously from Kong. He is super excited about this toy, guys. Like, he really wants this moose. Lost. Plots. Good. Alright, so here is what the moose looks like so that I can rip it open and give it to him. It is a giant circle. There is lots of fuzz. I'm going to be entirely honest with you guys. I'm not sure how I feel about this type of material for dog toys because, again, this can bunch up. I mean, it's really no different than their fur, but just like cats, they can get hairballs again, and then like lots of lodging in bowels. And if you guys can't tell, I have worked in vet clinics and have seen lots of stuff. It also sounds like there's beads inside. So it says, a two-toned Call of the Wild makes it impossible for dogs to resist grappling with this shaggy friend. Unique rounded body is great for tug and toss, variety of squeakers and plays, crinkle and rattle. Designed for light and moderate chewing, for tough chew sessions, try Kong rubber toys. Supervised use only, remove all packaging. So again, this is definitely not something for him, but like I said, this box was free. I got it as a referral code box exclusive, I guess. I don't remember what the reasoning was they sent this to me, but if you guys really wants this moose, last please. Give me just a second, I'm going to cut this open for him. So this is what it looks like out of the package. I can stick my hand through here like they said it is for tug and for toss. There's our tug. You guys can't see, but he is sitting so pretty off camera. Cool. There we go. He's gotten so handsome, guys. I can't wait to tell you guys a little more about him and our journey so far. That is not the purpose of this video. If you guys can't tell, like, I am really enamored with this dog. Alright, the next thing is a yaki churro. What is these things? These delicious churros are uniquely shaped to get into the hard to reach places between teeth, plus the natural enzymes help remove plaque. They look exactly like churros. They're about that long. Pretty decent size. We'll just put them in my face. These are for all dogs, lactose free and gluten free, which is pretty cool. It says it is made with fish meal. This one comes with 4 to a pack, and it comes from the Himalayan Pet Supply Company. I actually like them. I'm pretty sure my very first PupBox, I'm pretty sure it was a PupBox, that gave me a Himalayan salt chew bone. So, like I said, when I first got PupBox, I'm pretty sure it was the Himalayan like salt bones, which are awesome. I love them because at the end when they got too small, I'm pretty sure you pop them in like a bowl of water and then microwave them, and they expanded so that your dog wasn't chewing on like a little nub that was this big and choked, which was awesome. My dogs loved them. The ingredients are potato starch, cheese, fish meal, preservative, and vegetable glycerin. So it's essentially potatoes and cheese. Potatoes and cheese. Sounds alright enough. Looks like a churro. We'll see. We'll do a taste test with these later. It's kind of hard to do a taste test with my dogs. My dogs eat anything. Present company notwithstanding, he's eating the fuzz off that moose. So the next thing in this box, there's 2 more things, is this it? These Bark-Worthies stuffed shin bones. Long-lasting, reusable dog chews stuffed with bully stick pieces and brown rice. Produced from free-range grass-fed cattle in the USA. That's cool. This is a 5 to 6 inch shin bone, and it is a bully stick stuffed blend from Bark-Worthy. So here is the bone. It is a nice solid bone. I usually give him bones from our butcher shop because he is raw fed. Again, if you guys want any video on anything I do with Jovi, whether it is his service work or anything on his raw feeding, or if you just want a video on Jovi in general, let me know below. I might do one anyway because I haven't done one on him in a while. And so the ingredients is the bone shin bone, beef shin, bone shin bone, beef shin bone, which is this. And then you've got the beef meal, which is technically like the ground insides, which is your marrow, your beef pizzle meal, which I don't know what that is, and vegetable glycerin. I'm guessing the pizzle is like with the the bully sticks are made out of. But he also said rice, which kind of worries me. I don't feed Jovi rice at all. Rice is a carb and a grain, and I don't feed him rice. I'm very particular with what I feed him. He's spoiled. Like, he is spoiled rotten. But this would be a nice little, like, keep your ass busy while I'm up in my office working. So we're gonna have to keep a definite eye on this. I do like that this is supposed to be reusable. He's supposed to just, like, hollow out the inside, and then I'm supposed to be able to restuff it. We'll see. I don't know if they've ever tested this with a, like, very, like, driven German Shepherd. We'll see. And then the final thing is a Go-Go Stressless Venison Training Treats. I love any time they send me training treats because we are always constantly training. Yes, he's over a year old, but training doesn't stop at a year, doesn't stop at 2 years, doesn't even stop at 5 years. Training is 100% all the time, every time. Bella, my previous service dog, even though she's not technically in service in the public anymore due to something that unfortunately happened to her while we were in public, I still train her constantly. So we're always running out of treats in this house. So these are all natural, stress-free, sourced and produced in the U.S. These wild venison treats are sustainably sourced USA venison. These bite-sized premium venison treats make the perfect training treat. All right. All right. Let's see. We're gonna open these, and I'm gonna do some tricks with Jovi on camera. We're not gonna do much. We're gonna do like sitting down and probably a retrieve because why not? But I'm gonna pull out one of these pieces. This is good. Scooch closer, guys. This is one of the pieces that looks similar to jerky. It feels very rubbery like jerky. So we're just gonna take a little piece so that I can break it up. See how he does. Like I said, he's not picky with his treats. I don't think I've ever seen him turn down anything. He eats vegetables, he eats fruit. Alright, let's get my dirt. Lots. So these are super easy to break apart and feed him. It's supposed to be a small one. It's actually still pretty big. So as you guys can see, I kind of did tear a little piece off. And that's what I do with training treats, is I rip them apart. Jovi, come in! And now he's stuck behind a chair. Jovi! Bring. Derp. Bring. Derpy. Bring. Hi, thank you. Griffin? Moose? Griffin? No, Moose? Griffin? Yeah, Griffin? No. Come. Hi, honey. So as you guys can see, he has gotten very large with him standing in, or sitting and looking at me. His head comes to right about here at my belly button. He is a beautiful boy, and I absolutely love him. 2 pieces, even though he's already torn this moose apart. And it is all over my floor. Jovi! Jovi. Seats. Come. Good. Alright guys, so that about does it for this PupBox. I am so excited that I actually got this PupBox. I forgot how much I missed them. I used to get the Tail Wagon Express. I got them for a couple of months. I want to say 3 or 4 months. I got them because they are relatively cheaper. They are $27 a month. I think I have one in my mailbox. So maybe I should have done a comparison, but I don't like them at all. Jofi and my beagle, like a beagle, my lazy beagle, can tear through their toys so quickly, and like their stuff just, I don't really like their stuff. Like, it's things that I can find at PetSmart. I like that the things that are in the PupBox are more of like high-end boutique quality. Like, I have to order them from Amazon or go to the sites and order them from the sites because they're more of like a boutique-y feel. They're more like natural pet supplies, whereas this other box was given like Burt's Bees. Although I did get like this like container of like freeze-dried dog peanut butter ice cream, which is pretty cool. I haven't given them that yet, which I really should, but I just haven't because I've forgotten. So yeah, I will unbox my, like I said, I haven't been too happy with them, but that's a different video. This video was not sponsored by PupBox, but PupBox, if you're watching, I would love to be sponsored by you guys because Jovi loves your stuff, and I forgot how much I missed you guys. Yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, put them all down below. I gotta go. I got a 3-year-old's birthday party to attend to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.